Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're going to be doing a Cricut Design Space video. We're actually making a project life layout. This is what the original layout looks like in Design Space, and I'll be changing that to this one here. As you can see, I changed a few of the colors. I added this piece here. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this screen we're going to scroll down until we get to the category section. Next to cards, I'm going to click on where it says View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cards, we're going to click on that. And then go down and click on Photo Memories. Now we're just going to scroll down to find the layout we want, which is the Happy Trails one. Which is right there. It's called the Happy Trails scrapbook page. Click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Yep, there we go. Click on Customize. And you'll see when it brings in the layout, it does not bring any 12 by 12 piece. We're going to add that in a minute. The first thing I'm going to do is separate these pieces so I can change some of the colors. All right, so we have the green piece and the white. I'm going to change the white color to be yellow. So I'm going to click on the white here. Up top next to line type, I'm going to click on the white square and make that be yellow. Then bring this back over to line it up. Take your mouse across both pieces, right click on that and choose group. I'm going to do the same for the Happy Trails shadow layer. Make that be a yellow color. Bring this back over, lining it up. Take your mouse across both, right click and choose group. And the same for the white part of the compass. I want to make that be yellow as well. And then bring all that together. And then group them together. All right, so now we have our photo mats. The white piece here is going to serve as our photo, so I want to resize this to photo size. Top toolbar, I'm going to unlock the lock. Make the width be 6 inches and the height will be 4. I'm going to bring this over here on top of that green layer. I'm going to line it up in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the green layer. I'm going to unlock the lock and then just resize it to fit that photo mat, or the photo. So my exact green size is the width 6.183 and the height is 4.643. I'm going to group those two together. I also want 2 of them, so I'm going to right click on it and choose duplicate. All right, now this piece we're going to leave it alone for now. All right, let's left hand side toolbar, click on shapes, click on the square. I want to make this square be my 12 by 12 paper. So I'm going to resize that to 12 inches by 12 inches. I'm going to bring it down, right click on it and choose send to back. So now I can kind of see how everything will look on my layout. I'm going to resize this piece here. So I'm going to have it selected, top toolbar. I'm leaving the lock locked. I'm making the width be 11.25. Click on enter. So I can line that back up where it goes. Let's bring these pieces in, our photo mat 1, photo mat 2. We're going to bring this piece over like that. I'm going to right click on it and choose send to front. Then we have this piece, again, right click on that and choose send to front so it's on the top. All right, now this piece here, I wanted this to be my journaling, but I want to bring in journaling paper or notebook paper. Left hand side toolbar, click on images. In the search box, we're going to type in the word paper, and then click on enter. And scroll down to find the one I want. It's quite a ways down. All right, it is this one here. It is from the Simply Charmed cartridge. We're going to click on that, insert images. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup. Let me move this out of my way. All I want is the paper top so I can remove all these other pieces. You'll see it has like a little face in it. I do want to hide that, so I have the piece selected. Bottom right hand corner, I'm going to click on contour. And then just hide the pieces here, the face. Okay, we can close that out. So now we just have notebook paper. I'm going to resize it so I have it selected. Top toolbar, I'm going to unlock the lock, make the width be 3 inches, and the height will be 4. I can remove this white piece. We're going to bring this one over. I can't grab it. There we go. Upper left hand corner, and again the same idea. Click on the green one, unlock it, then just resize it so it matches that white piece. So my exact green size, the width is 3.458, the height is 4.199. Now before I group them together, I do want to add the word Texas here. So I'm going to go to my left-hand side toolbar, click on text, type in Texas. I'm going to bring this over here and change the font. I'm going to go to filter and choose has a writing style. And the one I chose is from a child's year, so I'm going to click on that and we'll see the font change. I'm going to resize it to fit inside that little space there. And maybe a little bit smaller. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. Take your mouse across both pieces, right click on that and then choose attach. Now this is going to use the marker tool to draw out the word Texas. The lines are going to be dashed lines on the Cricut. All right, bring that back together. Right click and choose group so I can bring this over here so to see how the layout looks. All right, I think everything looks good. Now we can start deleting the pieces we don't need the Cricut to cut, which is the 12 by 12 piece. I'm going to ungroup these guys, remove the white, because the white again was our photo. All right, so we have these pieces here. I do want to have the Cricut cut this out because I need the word there. All right, upper right hand corner, click on make it. And I do want to have my white piece here versus it be white, I want to make it be yellow. So I'm going to click on it here, click on the three dots, choose move to another matte, and I'm going to choose matte 3, click confirm. Because if you look at this piece, all the inside it's going to be cutting out anyway, so I don't want to waste it, so I'll put it up here. Do the same for the other pieces that are the same color. Move to matte 3, grab the circle, or whatever that matte is on. All right, so bring all these guys down. So rather than wasting all that paper, I'm now using it. All right, so we have the white, which we're not going to cut. The brown looks pretty good. Our yellow looks good. We're not going to cut that one. Then we have this one. Then we have that green piece. Again, the same idea. I'm going to click on it here. Move to another matte. Put it on matte 5. Then we have matte 7. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Cut these out with a table and put our layout together. All right, guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. I'm first going to be doing the larger pieces. I'll be using art glitter glue. I get this from madememadeit.com. I'm just going to put glue a little bit here and there. Just to help hold it down. Okay, and hopefully I can get this on here straight. That's sometimes the hardest part. Okay, not too bad, I don't think. I'm going to flip it over and just give it a rub just to so I don't get glue over my hands. Okay, not too bad. A little bit of glue overspill, but I think a photo is going to go there anyway to cover that up. I want to put a little bit of glue where I can see it's buckling, just to help hold it down on the corners. Okay, that should be pretty good. Now you can have this go any way you want. I think with me, I'm going to have it go the way it is now because my photos didn't sit right the other way. Okay. Alright, so then we have the green piece to go on top of that one. This one's going to be even harder because it's more skinnier. I got to find the match to it. There we go. And I think what I'm going to do with this one is just leave it in place and then just glue. So just kind of pick up this corner, glue it down, just to anchor it. I think that might be easier. Just to do this corner. We haven't done a layout in so long using the Design Space. So I think that's good. You can see it's not all the way down, like right here. You go in there and put that. You don't need to worry about the entire thing being down, just the bulk of it. And I think I'm going to have mine go this way again because the way my photos are. Do this one right here. All right. So we have our photo mats. And I have one going down here, one up here, and then our text is going to go here. Let's go ahead and work on our letters here. And I keep all of my pieces in a little bucket when they're cutting out a Design Space, so it makes it easier to find them. All right. Okay, almost done this one. Let's grab the dot for our eye. Just going to put a dollop right there. Okay, that is done. You can set that aside, and now let's work on this part. No, I don't need the white, I want the yellow. Okay, we're gonna, oh, I might pop the, oh, okay, I'll pop the whole piece up. All right, let's bring our pieces in. All right, let's grab our photos first. Actually, I need to grab my ATG gun right here. This is him, not even him taking a picture of the plane. And that's going to go down here. Usually he takes really good photos for me because he knows I'll be using it for Project Life. This year, not so much. Oop, wrong glue. And this is, I guess, the auditorium they were in. You can see the big screen they were watching, the monitor. For some reason, my phone always rings when I'm doing a video. All right, that's going to go up here. This is going to go down here. This is going to go here. I may have it hang a little bit, yeah, because this is kind of blurry here, so I'll have it go over this way a little bit more. Then we have our journaling tag. I already went ahead and did my journaling to save some time there. Alright, so we can put that there. And this we'll just put on top of that one. Alright, let's go and glue these guys down. I think my ATG gun needs a little bit of oil. Okay, so we got that one down. This one's going to go up here. Yeah, the way these arrows were in Design Space, they were up here and over here. My photos would have completely blocked them. Now we're going to pop this guy up. I'm going to be using a lot of these little things. Okay, we're also going to pop this up as well while we're here. I'll just use 4 on this one. Okay, give all them a squish. Give these guys a squish. Let me take the backings off. I'll use this for trash. That's going to go here on that photo a little bit. Alright, can we glue this? Nope, let's glue this guy down. here. And now this one, nope. I think I might want to use some of this twine just to bring out some of the brown, but this is like really, really thick twine because of course that hole is really thick as well. So I think I'm just going to put it through it and then maybe staple it on or leave it off. What do you think? Let me see, let me cut it. Okay, so if I put it up here, I don't know, guys, if I like that. I don't think I like it. Let me just do a second guess here. Because it's so thick, it's really going to stick out in this album. I don't even know if my stapler is going to go through it. I hate to staple it and then not work, you know? All right, we're going to leave it off. It was an idea, though. All right, so this is going to go right here, I think. Like that. Okay, let me get rid of all the fur. All right, so what do you think? Pretty simple layout, right? All right, guys, there you have it. A super simple project life layout. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.